Good morning, candidates. I'm just giving you the questions that you can expect, say, tomorrow and day after tomorrow in your PO interviews. What are the questions we can expect? Just giving you. Number one, be ready for answering questions relating to your native place, important people from your native place, important places, number of districts in your state, etc. Number B, resume based questions. Why you chose that particular subject, ECE, say civil engineering. Why do you want to join RRB? Have you appeared for any bank interviews? What are the strengths you have that will help you person working in RRB or other banks known to you? Like any person means relative, any relative. Okay. About your basic questions, about your degree basic questions, if you know the answer, answer immediately. Otherwise, say you studied long back and do not remember them, then you have been also remembering about banking subjects, about your college, about your achievements, if any. Then, number two, what is banking? Definition of banking. Then, what are the deposit schemes offered by RRB? What are the formalities to be complied with for opening of accounts, KYC, and other documents like memorandum and articles of association, certificate of incorporation, etc., in the case of limited companies? What are the various other services rendered by RRBs, lockers, NRI, digital, bank assurance, etc.? What are the types of loans given by RRB, like agriculture, KCC, term loans, education, housing, SHG, MSME, exports, infrastructure, renewable energy, startups, also loan or OD against properties? Then Pradhan Mantri Jan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, maximum deposit, then insurance coverage details, uses of computers in banking, how digital banking has helped banks and customers. What do you think will be the position of banking in India 20 years from now? Improvements. What is financial inclusion? What, why, how? Commerce students, double entry, bookkeeping, golden rules. Then what comes? Then that is one. Then what is P&L account? Then what is opening stock balance sheet? Why is capital shown in liabilities? Then there can be a question on, say, uh, GST also. Then excise duty, excise duty reduction. Then debit card, credit card details differences, differences between NBFC and banks and RRBs, difference between Companies Act 1956 and 2013, agricultural schemes by government, by mainly say PM Kisan Samman Nidhi, then Krishi Sinchai Yojana, etc. NPA causes, how to reduce problems faced by banking industry. Then here you can add about surfacing, then insolvency bankruptcy code, IBC. Then problems to RRB, what others cannot, what other candidates cannot do. Details about priority sector, housing, education loan, infrastructure loan, agriculture, etc. Latest newspaper or news channel reports, news channel reports in the last 2 or 3 days. Best wishes. I've given you just 25 questions. Prepare on them. That will certainly help you. Save. Wait a minute. Yeah, I will save this. I will save this. Save to cloud. Yeah, yeah. So these are the questions I thought I can give you. Harish Palli, good morning. Good morning. Ella unnaru, bagunnara? Yeah. Thanks, Harish. Best wishes. We'll see you later on. Thank you. Bye. I'm happy. I'm giving you all the questions in the comments column. Questions are given comments column. Sumant Kumar, what happened? Your interview, Sumant, have you paid for the interview and I have not taken? Please tell me if that is the case. Please call. I have a question. Tell me what is the question? What is the question? Please tell. Jaldi, jaldi. जल्दी आ जाओ ना. Sumant Kumar. No, I told for somebody who is going for scale 2 that I will take interview today. I don't know his name. My mother works as RD agent. RD agent means what? What is RD agent? I don't know. RD agent means what? That itself I don't know. About any situation, you ask questions what, when, why, where, how, which, who, required, how they are helpful for society, like that. You can frame questions based on that itself. Supposing you say about doctor, who is a doctor, what one should study to become a doctor, and what are the uses of doctors to society, how they are helping the society, likewise. You can frame questions yourself. Which place is she working? Who is his boss? Which department under which she is working? What is the salary she is getting? Why she preferred that? Sumant Kumar. Thank you. Anybody else online? I see Harish, our Andhra boy, successful boy, State Bank of India PO. Sumant Kumar. Anybody else? Nothing? Thank you so much. Best wishes. And I don't know the phone number of some scale 2 officer. I told him I will call him. I have forgotten his number. If he calls, I will talk. Bhargavi Reddy, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. See, I am not able to take interview for all people appearing for 8th and ninth and all that. So that's why I thought I should present the questions, 25 questions to you. Certainly, you will get 2 questions from this. Can be introduced in short and precise manner, not show short. You must tell I am so and so. I studied a Bachelor of Engineering from this college. I completed in this year, scoring this much percentage of marks. I also studied my plus two or pre UC in this college, in this school, college or school. I scored this much marks, and I scored this much marks in my 10th class. My father is so and so. My brother is so and so. Then then don't tell the names, only designate. Also tell my strengths are like this, my achievements are like this. If they allow you, mostly they will not allow you. What type of questions they will ask for civil engineering core subject, that you can see in wisdomjobs.com. See, for example, they won't go very much deep into it. See, what is the position of civil engineering in India? Is it progressing or is it not progressing? Name the civil engineering famous companies in India and why are you not joining them? Then, next point, What are the latest improvements that have come in civil engineering, like say tunnel, so many new things. About that, they can ask you. Good morning, Bhargavi Reddy, Sumant Kumar, Lalit Krishna. I have answered the questions of all of you. Yeah, she will be collecting monies from the people and depositing it in post office. So she will get a commission on that, and she may or may not get fixed salary. So how she is going to various places, how she is contacting new people, how she is introducing new customers, and what are the problems faced by her in that, what is the extent of service she has done to others. Thank you. Best wishes. Best wishes. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. I'll be leaving today evening by Air India flight to Delhi, from Delhi to Toronto by morning flight, 3 o'clock flight. And I may be reaching Toronto by our evening, say 8th evening, I may be reaching there. And I will get in touch with you through, say, WhatsApp or Telegram, say, after reaching there, probably from our ninth evening or 10th evening, 10th morning. Questions for commerce graduates, um, they are all about this subject. You can search in google.com. Google.com, uh, you search questions related to dash 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 for interview. You search like this. Also search wisdomjobs.com, and your subject, that is your subject. Please search like this. What is trial balance? What is profit and loss account? What is depreciation? What are the different methods of depreciation? What is goodwill? What is intangible assets? What is meant by reserve? What is capital? What is preferential capital? What is equity share capital? What are dividends? Who are the directors? What is the two types of limited companies? How many minimum members in private limited company? How many maximum members in private limited company? How many minimum members in public limited company? Which company is the biggest in India? Likewise, so many questions. I have been asking in all the classes. Best wishes. Thank you. Bye. I am very keen that you go through Banker, you go through the link I have provided. 1 minute. I have provided for many people, but some people still they come in the last minute and ask for materials. This is the link for IBPS RRB PO material. Please wait. Okay. Thank you. Best wishes. All of you will succeed. God bless you. Best wishes. Harish. How many people are there online? Let me see. How many who came online? Harish, Sumant, then Bhargavi, Viraj, Lalit. Thank you. Best wishes. Bye. I will give the questions in the comments column.